Welcome to the Smarter Surfaces Magnetic Plaster Application Guide. To apply the plaster correctly, some specific tools are required. These will differ depending on whether or not the application process is being carried out by a professional installer or a non-professional installer. Professional installers will need the following. Non-professional installers will need the following. Step 1. Measure. Measure the area you wish to cover, ensuring you have a total of 2 kilograms of magnetic plaster per square metre. Step 2. Prepare. Inspect your surface, making sure that it is clean, dry and capable of supporting the magnetic plaster. Cover any edges, light switches or fittings with masking tape. Apply a coat of smart white primer to seal the surface. Ensure the primer is dry before applying smart magnetic plaster. Step 3. Mix. Once you have opened your container of plaster, mix it well. Do not dilute, as it is ready to use. Step 4. Apply coat 1. It is now time to apply the plaster. For professional installers, apply 1 kilogram per square metre or 1.2 millimeters per coat using a steel trowel. For non-professional installers, weigh out 1 kilogram of plaster. Apply this over an area of 1 metre square with a plastering blade. Once applied, spread the plaster evenly across the area with a short pile roller sleeve. Repeat this process on the next 1 metre square area. Step 5. Smooth. Once your plaster has become partially dry, use a steel trowel to smooth the surface before it becomes fully dry. Afterwards, allow this coat to dry before applying the second coat. Step 6. Apply the second coat. Apply the second coat of plaster by repeating Step 4. Step 7. Smooth. Wait approximately 1 to 2 hours or until your plaster has become partially dry. Then, using a steel trowel, smooth the surface before it has dried fully. If necessary, use a damp cloth to lightly wet the surface when smoothing. Step 8. Inspect the surface. Check if your surface is uneven or has any imperfections after the second coat of plaster has dried. If so, apply a thin layer of plaster and lightly skim it over the surface with a smooth-edged trowel to ensure an even, smooth surface. Step 9. Allow drying time and smooth if required. Allow the surface to dry for a minimum of 24 hours. Once dry, lightly sand the surface and smooth out any minor imperfections. Your surface is now ready to use as a magnetic surface. You can top coat your magnetic surface with a colour of your choice, or you can use our dry erase or wet erase products to create a magnetic writable surface. For best performance, we recommend using our smart Neo magnets or any other high-quality neodymium magnets. Congratulations, you can now enjoy the benefits of a high-performance magnetic surface.